One thing I like about this school is that it concentrates on math and science.
I started math club this year. It involves students from third through 8th grade, and we do different prepping for competitions, and so the students get to be introduced to math competitions. We do a lot of different activities where they see math in real world experiences. They understand that math is more than just, working problems out of a book.
I always go shopping with my mom, and I use some of the equations that I know now of learning math to help her calculate, how much this costs and how much the tax will be, and if it was a sale, how much, what's the discount gonna be. Or if we just going shopping for groceries, instead of her using a calculator, I can just do the math in my head. Math, it's just cool.
I like science because every time we come back, there's something different waiting for us at the table, because sometimes there's a earthquake bin, sometimes there's a tornado, sometimes they have the snake waiting, and then sometimes they have the snake cage at the table. In our aquariums, we have bearded dragons, lizards, and crickets. Then we have cockroaches and poison belly frogs. Best thing I've done in science class to me is when we did the earthquake bins. We had to build houses out of clay, and the roofs were I think marshmallow, and whichever house stood up the most in the earthquake bin, that was the one who got the treat.
The resources here are incomparable to other schools. They really are. I've got a huge lab closet at my fingertips, and it's really nice. The student experience is really enhanced because of that.
I wanna graduate in Yale and become a professor at Yale. I think this school's prepared me for Yale because we do a lot of different things, because we have technology classes and health science classes, Spanish classes. So this school really educates you on a lot of different things you wouldn't really think of doing.
The science and math aspect of IESM is absolutely 100% necessary. We have such varied learners in this school. What works for some, maybe it's reading out of the reader book, but for a majority of my students, if they have a science lesson, if they have something that has to do with science or math, they are more interested. They're willing to read. They're willing to go above what they normally would do. It gets them excited about school.
Here they can expect for their students to be safe. Parents can expect for the environment to be nurturing. Parents can expect high academic achievement. Parents are particularly interested with the high level of technology usage we have, meaningful technology usage we have in the building, and also that the school is really living and ringing true to its environmental science and math theme.